I am honored to represent a country that is actually overcoming challenges of disarray and wishes to build partnership for a secure and prosperous future. Democratic institutions continue to thrive. Terrorism is being vigorously combated. Economy is being stabilized and is poised to rapid growth. Yet converting our domestic security and economic gains into wider regional stability remains a big challenge due to continued conflict in Afghanistan. That is where Pakistan has been in sharp focus in Washington, D.C. in recent months. The burden of a 16-year-long war in Afghanistan has been passed to new Afghanistan. For Pakistan, the timeline of managing fallout of Afghan instability is 30 years and still counting. It is more than half of our life as an independent nation. So our concerns are common. We also have similar aspirations in hoping to see stability in Afghanistan. Most critically, Pakistan, a nation of 200 million people and a fast-growing economy, believes that there is a tremendous potential for a broad-based and standalone bilateral relationship. You all know that public speech in August, President Trump announced new contours of the US policy of South Asia. While speaking on Pakistan, the President remarked that Pakistan had much to gain by working with the United States. Let me briefly say that we agree. And please allow me to respectfully add that both United States and Pakistan have much to gain by working together. A partnership that is anchored in mutual respect, pursuit of common interest, and understanding of each other's concerns has served us both in the past. I would like to use the opportunity afforded today to elaborate this further, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan considers itself a long-standing friend of the United States. Friends need to revitalize and refresh their friendship from time to time.